Hello guys, today let's check out another beautiful book. This is Rama's Ring Stories from different versions of the epics. This is a beautiful special issue released by AMAR CHITRA KATHA. This is a recently released special issue. Even though the name suggests Rama's Ring, the book contains stories from both Ramayana and Mahabharata in it. I think the front cover picture itself suggests that we have a beautiful picture of both Rama and Krishna on the front cover. So basically it suggests that we have stories from both the epics here. This is a beautiful paperback book here. A very small book, but beautiful book for any epics and mythology loving people. This book costs around 199 rupees. On some of the online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, you can get this book rather cheaply, and you can even buy in their official website also, that is amarchitrakatha.com. On the back they have given small introduction about the book here, about Rama's Ring, that this book mainly contains stories from Mahabharata and Ramayana, especially side stories which are mainly folklores, which usually you won't read in normal Ramayana and Mahabharata main stories. So these are passed on from generation to generation as folklores or simple folk versions. They have also given here about some of the books available. I have already showcased Valmiki's Ramayana and Mahabharata in my previous videos. You can check out these books. They're also very beautiful. Krishna the Gita I'm gonna showcase in my later videos. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to know the videos I'm gonna put later. So let's check inside. So this is a book in a category of epics and mythology, and here it contains 9 beautiful short stories from both Mahabharata and Ramayana. Here are the contents. The first story, Rama's Ring, slayer of the 1,000-headed Ravana, Nagapasha, defeating Indrajit, saving Lakshmana, the strength of a devotee, Draupadi's divinity, Draupadi's protectors, the 5 golden arrows. The first 5 are from Ramayana and the last 4 is from Mahabharata story. So these are the 9 stories that this book contains. Here are the stories here. The pages are glossy, beautiful art, a newer style of pictures and all by AMAR CHITRA KATHA. After each story they have given beautiful notes here. Here many Ramayanas, different versions of Ramayana introduced, they have given here. And here the mapping of Ramayana they have given, like, because it's like a folklore, a lot of places have been associated with these epics, and you can find out a beautiful introduction here. These stories we might not know, as these are folklores. A beautiful way to know about these side stories, and also some of the very important notes to know the current way using these epics in our life, all beautifully introduced in this book here. Here, different epic performances happening nowadays in modern society, using these epics and all Ram Leela and all beautiful introduction after each stories has been given here. The art style is completely new. Shakuni's dice also, they have given a small story here. And here they have given about Draupadi's protectors. Basically in the normal story we assume that Krishna is the one saving, but here a slight change in a Tamil version you can find. And here an introduction of the fiery being. So many things we don't know are given in this. A beautiful book for any epic loving person this is. So this is the Rama's Ring by AMAR CHITRA KATHA. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing books. See you next time.